Use advanced predictions in FreeForm and IPM to enhance your reporting and forecast analysis. With multivariate analysis, leveraging multiple input drivers and advanced machine learning algorithms. In this video, we will cover the prerequisites for setting up advanced predictions in FreeForm, and then review the IPM configuration steps for advanced predictions. As a prerequisite, select Advanced Predictions in Application Settings. If you haven't already, create a calendar for your advanced predictions. Since FreeForm doesn't have a built-in time dimension, you'll need to manually specify which dimensions represent time. In the Dimensions column, select up to 3 date-related dimensions, for example, year, quarter, month, choosing them in order from highest to lowest granularity, for example, year before month. You can also configure events for advanced tuning and improving accuracy in cases where events in the past should be considered for future predictions. Now you are ready for configuring advanced predictions in IPM. Let's review the 6 steps for configuring advanced predictions. Let's look at a FreeForm management reporting application. From the home page, click IPM and then click Configure. Click Create. For Step 1 in IPM Configurator on the Types page, enter a name and an optional description. Click Advanced Predictions and then click Next. For Step 2, the Calendar page, select a calendar to use. The values for historical data, future data, and cube selection comes from the calendar definition. Click Next. For Step 3, Historical Data page, define the data slice, prediction output, and input drivers. Both the historical data and future data pages share the same 3 sections, but the first section, Define Model Scope, differs between them. On the historical data page, select dimension members to specify where the historical data used to train the ML model is located. The other 2 sections, select output to predict and select drivers as input, have the same values for both the historical data and future data pages in this example. Example input drivers for predicting volume include industry volume, average selling price, and discount rate. Click Next. For Step 4, the future data page, you'll define where to store prediction outputs and the data slice for future period drivers. Note that the 3 sections are the same as seen on the previous step. Only for the first section, Define Model Scope, you need to change the specific members to where future data exists and where the predictions are to be stored. For Step 5, Prepare Data page, define how to handle data quality issues like missing values and outliers. Predict missing input driver values. Select this to use statistical forecasting to fill in missing driver values. Enable automated feature engineering and selection, selected by default. Creates multiple engineered features and selects the top 15 for model generation, improving prediction accuracy. Fill missing values, add standardized values to missing dataset entries. Handle outlier values, specify how to treat outliers. For Step 6, Model Settings page, select the algorithms for your prediction. Choose a specific algorithm or let Oracle Auto MLX automatically select the best one. If you select Generate Confidence Intervals, the system generates multiple predictions stored across multiple scenarios. Set a prediction interval to define the likely range for future values, then assign scenarios for fitted value, best case, and worst case in the POV. To include calendar events in the prediction, select them here. Save the prediction configuration. Now you are ready to run advanced predictions and take FreeForm's flexible modeling and reporting capability to the next level. Related videos are linked in the description. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.